Respected students, welcome back everyone. This is our part 4 of our playlist Power BI tutorial for freshers and beginners. In first three parts, we had answered the questions and also we have seen tutorial for Power Query Editor, which is the transformation ETL tool in Power BI. So from this fourth part, we are going to see Power BI desktop now. Okay. So we all know when we click here in transform data, we land to Power Query Editor. Same way when we open our Power BI tool, we first land to Power BI Desktop. If you have not seen that first three parts, make sure you are seeing that first three parts and then only you are start to work on this fourth part. Also follow me. Also dataset I have given in description box. You can follow me what steps I am telling you, and you can also make notes or practical also you can try. So now we will start the video, but before starting, if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing, pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos, and follow us on social media, especially Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn. So now we are going to start properly our fourth part, which is the Power BI desktop. First, what I will tell you, I will explain you all this whole properly tool, where which option is there, where to use which option at what time. So properly I'm going to explain you. See, first thing is here. This is the page 1. So in first part I have answered all the answers for this question. So if you want new page, let me remove this first. Okay, so now earlier in this our file, only this first page was there. For example, if you want new page, you want to build this visual, we are clicking on this new page. Okay, if you want one more, just click on this plus icon. Just click on this plus icon. This is the way from which you can start building the new page. You can add the pages from here. So as of now we only need one more page, so I am deleting this. For deleting, just click on close and delete it. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing is, see, this is the main important 100% asked question in interview for freshers and beginners. This question. The question is, what are the three views in Power BI? Views, see this, VIEW. Three views in Power BI. This is the 100% asked question for Power BI fresher. So the answer is, there are three views. Which are three views? First is report view. Okay. Second is data view, also known as table view. Earlier it was known as data view. Now after the update, it is now showing table view. First is report view, second is data view, also known as table view, and third is modeling view. Okay, earlier it was known as relationship view, but you can say modeling view. So the first is report view, second is data view, third is modeling view. So now properly I am going to explain what is there in report view. In report view, all the visuals are there. See, at this right icon, under this visualization pane, see, there are many charts. We will start with pie chart. Pie chart you all know. Okay, so to add the chart here, just go and click on this. It will show one chart. To remove, to delete it, just use delete button in your keyboard, or you can click here, click on this three dot and remove. Okay, to add, just click, and to delete, use keyboard button or this three dot. Now in report view, we use visuals. So now we can add like product name we can add. Okay, and we can show it on basis of sales. So just, so see, main important thing I'm going to tell you, in these values always business numbers will come, like sales, revenue, salary, and in this legend, in this pie chart, product name, state, country, customer name, like these things will come. Properly I'm going to explain, but in this report view, visuals are there. Okay, now we will take this card visual. In this card visual also I will tell you, and we will just add sales here. So see here, 118 million sales has happened in our data. It is showing like this. So in this report view, we are able to show all the visuals properly. Now what is there in all these visuals which are there, all these options which were there properly, I'm going to explain, but just as of now we are starting with report view. So in report view we add visuals and we show the visuals there. Now in data view what is there? So what our data was that, whatever our data is, that tables we are able to see properly here. So see, in this our financial table, segment is there, country is there, product, discount, unit sold, okay, manufacturing price. Properly you are able to see all the columns here. So if you want to see, for example, in this country column, what is the data type or whatever it is, so just click on this country column. So see, now it will show name of the column, it will show data type of the column, it will show format of the column. If you want to add any percentage, comma, dollar, then also it is showing. For text we can't do, so it is now not showing now. But if you will see on unit sold, so for unit sold decimal number is data type. So now see this, dollar and percentage, everything is showing now properly, comma, everything, summarization it is showing, data category it is showing. Okay, so this is the data view. If you want to filter the data, okay, for example, if you want to see on, whenever we have to do filtration, for example, if you want to see Germany, how many Germany records are there, so just do one thing, click on this drop down, uncheck this select all, click on this Germany, and okay, now you are able to see only Germany records in our data view. Whenever you have to do the filtration, we always use this data view. Okay, now you have filtered the data on Germany. For example, you want to filter it on 1st of January only. On 1st of January, how many Germany records are there? So just click on here and select January. So you are able to see for 1st of January 2014, Germany records are only 7. See, at left hand side, you will be able to see 7 filter rows. 700 rows are the total number of rows in that data set. 7 filter rows are the filter conditions what we have applied here. Okay, on Germany and on 1st of January. So for example, if you want to remove this filter, now what to do? It is very simple, nothing is permanent. Just click here, go right click and clear all filters. If you will use this clear filter, then just only date column filter will be removed. But for clear all filters, all properly all filters will be removed from here. See, now you are able to see all the rows properly. Data view option which is there, this second option, it is the most important option to see, to learn or to understand our data. In Power Query properly we can do data filtration, no doubt, but only 1000 rows it are showing in Power Query. But here in Power BI desktop in data view, for example, if here 2-3 million rows if it would be now, then also it would show properly there. Okay, so what was report view? In report view, all visuals whatever we are dragging here and we are building the visuals, it is showing in our report view. In our data view, our table, it is showing whatever data it is there. See, for date table, now we will go here, date table. Okay, so if this format it is showing, what format it is? Date format in Wednesday January 2014. If you want to change the format, now what to do? Just click here, go on this format. See, these types of format, these many formats are available. For example, if you want mmdd yyyy 4 times y, just go and click on here, that's it. Now it is going to change it. This way we can also change the format from data view. Even data type also we can change, but it's always good not to change data type in Power BI desktop. It should come from backend itself. So this was report view. This, it was now data view, also known as table view. Now modeling view we will check. See, in modeling view, both your tables are shown, date table and financial table. So those are now connected here. Modeling is nothing but connecting of two tables on basis of keys. Okay, so now you are fresher, no doubt. I'm not going to explain that advanced level, but I'm going to explain like modeling is about connecting of two tables. Now, see, always remember one thing. Now here two tables are showing, financial and date table. Okay, what is modeling? What I have told you definition about modeling: connecting of two tables on basis of same column or same key. Okay, now in this date table, which column is there? Date column is there. What is modeling? Connecting of two tables on basis of same column. So now this date column, where you are able to see in this financial table here. So what you have to do, just click on here, drag it and throw it here on date. Now these two tables are connected. Okay, even, and if you want to delete it, just go right click and delete it. With just dragging you can connect two tables on same column. Okay, what is the second way by which you can connect tables? Go on this manage relationship. Okay, click on this new. Here select your table, date table. Here select financial table. Click on this date and click on this date here. It will, and just click on this OK and close. Now it will be connected automatically. Okay, these are the two ways by which you can connect the two table. Modeling is connecting of two table on basis of same column. Now what is this one? What is this star? Okay, one means in this date table primary key is there. Okay, I have made the separate video for primary key, foreign key, unique key. It is available in our playlist. You can watch that video, but in short also I will explain here. Primary key means in this column all unique rows are there. Unique row means, see here, this 1st of January 2014. So this record is there. Now this record 1st January 2014, it is not repeated anywhere here. Okay, or this 10th of uh, January 2013. Now this record, it is not repeated anywhere here. All the records which are there, those are unique. Okay, but in case of this date column in financial table, the records are repeated. Okay, like this, for example, 1st January 2014, it has came 10-15 time in our data set. Like this it is there. See this 1st September 2013. You are able to see many times it has came. Okay, 1st September 2013, many times it has came. So when many records are there, then this star will show. If unique records or only one time, if the record is showing in that particular column, then it will show one. And if many times it is showing or repeated it is showing, then it will show star. That's the reason why it is known as one to many. Okay, I am going to explain you afterwards. But in short and crispy format, I am telling you, modeling is connecting of two tables. Again and again I am telling, the reason is because it is very important. Okay, in interview they are going to ask you these questions. So this was about three types of views: report view, data view also known as table view, and modeling view. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more thing. Now see, in this visualization pane, you are able to see this visual. See this line chart is there, bar chart is there. See bar chart and all those. This everything we will, I'm going to explain you properly. Okay, then this slicer is there. I'm going to make separate video for all the visuals. Okay, but here one more thing is there. In this visualization pane, format pane is there. Here in this canvas setting, you can means whatever dimension you want for your page, that you can select. Right now 16 by 9 is there. See here. Now if you are going to go for 4 by 3, see this dimension it has happened. custom also, whatever you want you can go like this. For example, uh, you want 1000 here, then you can go for 1000 here, also 1000, you can go for 1000 like this. Which is the best practice to do? Best practice is go for canvas setting 16 by 9 always. Okay, and in this view tab, in this page view, go for fit to width. Okay, this is the best practice for it in this canvas setting. If you want background color also, so you can change it to background color also. Right now we have done fit to width, so it is not showing background properly. But let me show you once again. 4 by 3. Okay, now background we have. Okay, and image, now for example image we will take any, let's take this image. Okay, then wallpaper. Wallpaper it is. Okay, it will show properly here. Color, if you want to change, then it will show color also in this wallpaper. Okay, you are able to see. The best practice what it is, go for canvas setting, go for 16 by 9 always, and here in this view tab, fit to it. So when you will publish this report to client, they will see in proper their resolution in their laptop. Best practice is this. Now third point is, now we have seen this three views, even basics of visualization pane I have told you, like pie chart and card visual, and also about page and everything. Now we will go for data pane. This filter pane we will check after, it is little bit advanced. While creating report, that time we will check each and every option, we are going to explore it. But right now you all are fresher beginners, so whatever options which are very easy to understand, that I am explaining first. So in this data pane, what it is, data pane, all the tables, data sets which are there, that tables we are able to see. So now see, there are two tables. When you will click on this arrow button, whatever columns which are there, that you are able to see. See, in this financial table, sales are there, addition, COGS, country, date, whatever column are there, that you are able to see. So for example, if you want any new visual, for example bar chart we took, so like this, day name you need to drag here, and you can drag also or you can click also. The best way is to drag only. By clicking sometimes it goes up and down, so best way is to drag only. So right, in while dragging or while building the visuals, we need this data pane. So let's click on this three dots. Okay, so like here, new major, new column. While building Power BI report, we need to build the formulas also. So that time we use major column, that I will tell you. But for example, if you want to refresh this financial table, only financial table, not whole data set, so just go on right click and refresh. So now this financial table is refreshed. So whatever the incremental data, new data which has come, it will be refreshed there. Okay, so let's, for example, if you want to go to Power Query, so you all know that for going to Power Query from home tab, we can go from here, but from here also we can go, just right click, edit query, it will land you to Power Query. Okay, one more any option, rename also you can do, and delete this table also. But it's always better to delete table from Power Query itself. You can delete also this table. Okay, like that we can do. Now we will check all the five tabs properly. Okay, first tab is home tab. In this home tab, from this get data, you can extract the data, whatever your data sources, Excel or SQL server or text CSV, web, SharePoint, whatever. See, there are many options. See, from this more you are able to see MySQL database, Terra database, big Google BigQuery, then Power BI semantic model, that Power BI service part, warehouses, Azure, Azure is the most used, you all know now nowadays. Then Salesforce also, Google Analytics also. If anyone has done digital marketing, then he will understand Google Analytics. Then see QuickBooks. There are many data sources we can. There are more than 250 data sources from which we can fetch the data. But in real-time project, only 5 to 6 main common data sources are used. The first is SQL, second is SharePoint, third is Snowflake, then fourth is Azure, OneDrive, and Excel CSV. These data sources are only there. So from here we can fetch. But what I have told in second part of tutorial, it's always best to fetch the data from Power Query itself. No need for Power BI extra. Okay, so just this example I'm showing, but always fetch the data from Power Query itself. So now see this enter data is there. From this enter data, you can create one new column. So now let's create column name is Indian, table name is Paradise. This way you can add columns, sorry, rows. Now if you want to add column, just click here, see like this, and then load it. So now new manual table we have created from our own. Now where you will see that table? You will see that table in data pane. Now let's close this. See Paradise table, earlier it was not there, it is now showing. Let's check in our data view also. Paradise table is now here, it is showing. Okay. See, even let me tell you one more thing I will tell you. See this Paradise table we have created now. It is showing in our report view. Okay. If you want to hide any table from report view, just go and this I is there now. Just click on it. Now see in our report view, it is not showing now. So let us delete this table now. We have just created for showing. So enter data is there, then transform. See now if you want to refresh whole data set, okay, whole all, then just click on this refresh. This option is the most commonly option used in real-time project, because whenever the incremental data is coming, we refresh it. Schedule refresh is there, gateway is there, no doubt everything is connected. But sometimes even after schedule refresh also, that refresh properly it is not happening. So it's always best to go to Power Query. Okay, Power Query and refresh preview. From here just do refresh all. In Power Query also it is the best practice. Then again come to Power BI desktop and click on this refresh, the best practice. Okay, now this text box I will tell you. Text box is like, for example, now we have created these visuals. Now we will take it down. Just click on this and use your keyboard of downward button arrow, it will come down. Now you will take this text box. In text box you can manually write. For giving headings also we use this text box. Just go here, drag, drop, and now you can do Control A. Always do bold, increase the font size to 16 or something. Okay, in middle, take this to middle. This is the text box option. Now what is this publish option? Whenever you create this report to show to the client or to publish it to the world or to show to everyone, you just publish it. But for that you need sign in also. So here right now our account is not there. So then afterwards, at the time of Power BI service tutorial, I will explain you this. Now insert is there, insert here. See, in this insert, mostly the main option whatever is used is buttons and shapes only. These all rectangle basic shapes or arrows also you can use in your, see, in your report also. Like this, just go on button. If you want this, then you can use this. Just go to this button and back button if you want. See, now this back button, it is showing here. These buttons and shapes are the most important or the used options in insert button. Modeling tab, it is the most advanced concept in Power BI, like RLS and also language schema. For example, like you have created report for USA client, and if Germany client is also there and he want a report to be in German language, so in this case you use these options. It is very advanced. Afterwards I will tell you. Now this view option, it is the main. See, first thing what I've told to use in this view option, go here and always click to fit to width. Okay, always. And these 5 options, these are the most important option in real time project or in our tabs which is there in view tab. Bookmark, selection, performance analyzer, sync slicer. When I'm going to create the report here properly in tutorial, I'm going to explain you everything, but these 5 are the most important options. Most important, like bookmark, it takes screenshot or snapshot of your current page and it saves it. Selection pane is like selecting anything, hide, show. Performance analyzer will show how much time it is taking every visual. Right now only I will show you in this case. See, start recording if you are doing, okay, and then refresh visual, it will show how much seconds of time it is showing. Like sum of sales by product, this pie chart is showing 345 milliseconds. Okay, this other bar chart is showing 344 milliseconds. This card is showing only 144 milliseconds. This performance analyzer option is the most important option. Okay, now let's come to our main and last option which is there. It is our options and setting. Go here on file, options and setting. Before that options and setting, I will tell you about this about section. Click on this about section will always show you which version of Power BI you are showing or using. So here you are able to see version 2.126 and February version. So right now it's March 2024. So we are using updated version of Power BI. In real time projects, always when you are working in company, always use updated version of Power BI desktop. Okay, here if you will click, it will land you to Power BI service. So this is this about section. Now let's go to options and setting. In options and setting, go in options. So here see 4 to 5 main options are there. Okay, so in this current file we will go. In current file, data load is there. So here see, mostly whatever option I have selected, that should be checked at your laptop also, your file also. Detect column type is like means whenever you are fetching the data, when you have fetched in Power Query, automatically it has um, told you the data type, whether that column was text data type or decimal number or whatever it was. It have told you properly. Like here, see, relationship. It is very main. Auto detect new relationship. Okay, so when tables you are fetching, and in modeling we have connected the tables. So for example, if Power BI is only finding common column between two tables, so automatically it is going to connect it. So whatever your manual work was there, that is reduced in that case. Just verify after that. Okay, then this auto date time is there, or this Q&A is there. Q&A is question answer. I will tell you what this option is. Always it should be clickable. So now just go here. Okay, double click I am doing. Okay, double click I did, and now it is showing question. Power BI is only showing automatically questions. What is total COG? Okay, most recent financial, total profit by order. Just click on this So now automatically Power BI's AI which is there, it has created the visual for us. Okay, how it has done? Because in file options and setting, in options, our in this current file, our this Q&A option was on. Always make sure that Q&A option is on. Then in regional setting, make sure always English United States is there. No need of English India. Otherwise, the date column which is there, it will show error. So always English United States must be there. Privacy, then auto recovery. Whatever important or basic is there, that will I will tell you for now. Make sure this personalized visual option is also always on, because when we give our report to client, what this personalized visual option is there, when we give report to client, for example, this was pie chart, and if client thinks that we can also use donut chart, this another visual, so on that spot he can change this visual to donut chart. So personalized visual option which was there, it is about that. So now let's go to this data load. See here, this clear, catchy, and all those things are there. Always like in a week or 15 days back, you can, after 15 days you can clear, catchy, clear this, so that your file will not be corrupt or it will not work slow like this, it will happen. So this clear, catchy option also you can use. Then this security, in this security option, always click on this custom visual or map visual, so that custom visuals are like here we are having 3640 standard visuals. So if you are not satisfied with this visual and if you want more visuals, so from Microsoft there are 200 300 custom visuals, you can fetch that another visual and you can use. So these custom visuals are those from, we get it from app source, so it should be on. This map visual option, it should be on always. The reason is because if you want to use map visual in your Power BI report properly, this map visual option should be on. Whatever my settings are there, that settings you also do, guys, so that properly whatever I am building here, you will also be able to build that. Okay, so this was about options and setting. Okay, so today's video, what I have to explain, that properly I have explained you about three views, about visualization pane demo, basic demo, data pane basic demo, all five tabs I have told you, and also about options and settings also this. Okay, so if any kind of doubt you are having, make sure you are commenting. Within 1 hour I will reply you, and side by side also you also practice, because in that data set, in description box in dataset I have uploaded the dataset, so side by side you also do. You all are fresher beginners, so you also keep practicing what I am doing here, and if any kind of doubt, comment on under YouTube video. Within 1 hour I will reply you. Okay, so thanks for watching till end, and please subscribe and share this video to everyone, and follow us on social media. Thank you everyone.